Is it possible to generate electricity from urine? I mean, make a urine battery at home? The answer is yes. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make urine battery at home easily. Okay, let's check it out. All we are going to need for this project is for sure urine. I know this is disgusting, but I'm gonna use my urine for this project. We need 7 nails, as you can see in this video. As you know, there are a lot of nails out there. Please be sure to use the silver color nails instead of black one, because if you use the black color nails, you cannot generate electricity at all. So we need the silver one. We need copper wire. We need normal copper wire. This is the normal copper wire, as you can see in this video, and this is the enamel copper wire. Please do not use enamel copper wire, because as you know, there is an enamel on it, and there is no way to contact between urine and wire because of the enamel. If you use this kind of wire, you cannot generate electricity at all. I'm using this kind of wire, and I remove the plastic shield so I can access the wire easily. Also, we need ice tray. You can find ice tray at home, or you can buy it from plastic shop out there. The last thing we need is LED. Please use the new one LED and make sure the LED work properly. Before I'm using this LED for urine battery, I'm checking out the LED with 3-volt battery, or you can check it with 3-volt power supply to make the LED working properly. So this is 3-volt battery, and I'm testing the LED. Yeah, as you can see, the LED working great. So I'm using this LED in my project. Okay guys, are you ready to make urine battery? For first step, I remove the plastic shield to access to the copper wire. I remove hold the plastic shield to reach to the copper wire. As you can see, I removed the shield so I can access to the copper wire easily. I'm using the copper wire in next step. Okay, in this step, twist the copper wire around the nails. I did with the outer nails to save the time, but for this one I'm doing inside of the camera for better understanding. Like this. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's it. Okay, in this step, we should pour the urine into the cells. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cells, and be sure to pour the urine just about 80% of the capacity of the ice tray, because we don't want to allow the urine to contact with outer cells. Okay, let's do it. That's enough. Okay, the second one. top. Okay. Okay, in this step I'm going to insert the copper and nails into the cells. Please follow like me. Also, another important thing is that is very important is we have to make sure there is no contact between nails and copper in each cell. Here is the wrong part, so I'm trying to fix it. I'm going to fix it. Right now it's correct. As you can see, I moved the camera. You can see there is no contact between wire and nails in each cells. This is the correct one. Okay, our urine battery is ready to use, and I'm going to insert the LED into the battery to check it out. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, as you know, there is a negative and positive terminal for LED, so if you insert the LED into the liquid and you see it doesn't work, please change the direction of inserting. I change the direction and I do it again. Okay, as you can see, the LED working great and our urine battery is ready. For the people who think there is a hidden source of the power, I will show them in the next video. There is no hidden source of the power, and right now I remove each nail to show you when I remove the nails the battery doesn't generate electricity anymore. Okay, right now, so you see. Okay, for example these nails, for example these nails, the first, and right now I'm going to grab the camera. I will show you there is no hidden source of the power. I grab the camera, and as I said in the video, I will show you there is no hidden source of the power. Okay, here you can see there is no hidden source of the power. Okay, and I'm going to show you the under of the also ice tray. As you can see, there is no battery, and also the ice battery, and as you can see the LED working very well. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please be sure to subscribe us to my channel, and because amazing video will come soon. And as always, thanks for watching.